It has been more than 2 months since the Camp House fire burned more than 12,000 acres and more than 100 structures here in northeastern Minnesota. And now community members still need your help in cleaning up and rebuilding. Here with us to talk more about these efforts is Michaela Schleep, who is a Brimson resident. Michaela, appreciate you being here and sharing your call with our viewers today here at 4. First, could you describe what the situation is like in the Brimson area right now, months after that devastating fire?
Yeah, thank you so much for having me. And right now, the devastation has been real. I mean, even since the fires, it's been a big, long waiting game on insurance coming through and everything. So we're still left with a lot of the debris and honestly just needing volunteers, ways to help getting things hauled, tree removal, and everything else. It doesn't look much different, honestly, than right after the fire, other than we finally have some green coming through in the grass and the new growth. But otherwise, those structures are looking just as bad as day one, and we're really needing help.
And this weekend, you and the United Way of Northeastern Minnesota are asking for our Northland volunteers to come out, help in those cleanup efforts. And it sounds like a number of families need some important assistance this weekend.
Yes, absolutely. We have a bunch of families. I mean, we have sled doggers, we have a veteran, we have a grandmother and her kids, and there is just so much work to be done. And honestly, we're not asking for any experience, any fancy tools, anything like that, just somebody with two hands and a big heart willing to help. A lot of people are just still dealing with the heartache of it all, so if you could come and help sift through debris on what these people have left of their life, it could really bring them hope and some peace of what they have left. And we just need people, honestly, and any way of hauling this material up to the county garage would be greatly appreciated. We're still at the beginning stages, and this is going to be going on for a long time, and I would love to get this thing kicked off and going.
And then, Michaela, how can our viewers find more information about volunteering this weekend?
Yes, so we have a Facebook page, the Brimson Strong Community Support and Recovery page, or they can email me directly at helpbrimsonfire@gmail.com. We plan on meeting Friday at Hugo's in the parking lot at 9 a.m. to 4, and then Bassett Town Hall from 9 to 4:30 for going out and using that as a staging area. So.
Wonderful. Michaela Schleep here with us at 4, Brimson, Minnesota resident. Michaela, thanks for being here and wishing you all a successful cleanup weekend ahead.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your time.